I just hope that what we've seen as what's been put together as a package isn't the end all of it, right? We need a lot more.
More is what's necessary to hold juvenile offenders accountable and keep New Mexicans safe. Lawmakers introduced a package deal for public safety reform yesterday, but Bernalillo County District Attorney Sam Bregman, as you heard there, says it's missing a critical component, and that is juvenile justice reform. He and others have been rallying lawmakers to rewrite those laws since October. Cassie Foote spoke with him today, and Cassie, he is hopeful legislators will just attack juvenile crime before the session's over.
Yeah, well, just because it wasn't in the public safety package doesn't mean it's not coming on its own. But we don't have an unlimited amount of time here. DA Bregman says as the days go by, you wonder if the bills on juvenile justice reform will have the momentum necessary to get to the governor's desk.
Bernalillo County District Attorney Sam Bregman will tell you juvenile crime is the most pressing issue.
The most significant thing we could do on crime in the legislature this year is truly amend the Children's Code to deal with the unbelievable spike in juvenile crime that we're seeing out there.
So where are the solutions from lawmakers? Not in the public safety package that passed the House Judiciary Committee Wednesday. It's 6 bills rolled into one. The absence of juvenile justice reform did not go unnoticed.
If they don't pass anything when it comes to juvenile crime, I think it leaves a big hole in a lot of people's guts about what's going on here, because this is a real problem.
But there is a juvenile justice reform bill, and it's a bipartisan one too. House Bill 134. It would expand what is legally called a serious youthful offender, which would allow juveniles to be charged as adults for more crimes. But as of this evening, it hadn't been scheduled for a hearing.
As time goes by, you start to lose the idea that you have any momentum or that it's moving forward.
In the House Judiciary Committee Wednesday, Republican lawmaker Nicole Chavez said the package didn't go far enough to address juvenile crime. Committee Chair, Democratic Representative Christine Chandler, said the Children's Code bills hadn't been vetted yet.
I think we need the time and the deliberative process to work on that bill. And I'm sorry people are disappointed that we didn't rush it through. But rush doesn't mean good.
Bregman says that doesn't cut it. He's been working with lawmakers on juvenile justice reform since October.
I'll accept whatever the legislature decides to do. But what I won't accept is disinformation when it comes to, well, this is being rushed upon them or something like that. This has been in front of them for months.
Again, that juvenile justice bill is sitting in the House Consumer and Public Affairs Committee. It is not scheduled to be heard within the next week. There is one juvenile bill on the agenda, though, for Saturday, and that is an effort to rename the Juvenile Corrections Act to the Juvenile Community Connections Act. It would also set aside money for programs providing services for youth in detention or CYFD, and establish a panel to decide what comes next for a juvenile sentenced to a detention facility. Keep in mind, we're about a week away from the halfway point of this session.
Yeah, and I mean, this has good points in it, but it doesn't have anything that I've read that would work on preventing the juvenile crime. So.
Exactly.
All right, Cassie, thanks for the breakdown there.